Hello everyone, I sincerely hope that all of you are doing absolutely great. In this particular video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how you can easily obtain a full 1-year subscription to Gemini Pro. As you can clearly see right here on the screen, it's currently displaying the option to verify eligibility. This indicates that my specific Gmail ID is indeed eligible for the exclusive Google student offer. So I've already had the status verified for this. So let's go ahead and open this up right now. Take a look here. It's clearly indicating that you have been verified, which essentially means our account status has now been successfully verified, as you can see. Alright then. So now what I need to do is add a payment method to this account. To get your status verified, you would typically be able to use a trusted bot. However, for the past couple of days, the ongoing issue has been that absolutely no bot is currently working. So I've completed the verification process after a lot of effort. Now I'll add my payment method here, complete this final step and then subscribe to this offer. Okay. We proceed to click Get Student Offer. And right here, we need to add a card. You'll need to provide your card details. If you're looking for paid accounts, we have a wide variety of options available for you to choose from, such as Gemini Pro for 1 full year, CapCut Pro for 1 year, CapCut Pro for 3 months, or even just 1 month. Additionally, you'll also find accounts for many other popular AI tools. And ChatGPT Plus for 1 month is available at a very competitive, cheap rate. You can contact me on WhatsApp. I'm providing my WhatsApp details in the comments section below. You can easily find it there. Now, I will proceed to add the card details here, including the card number, the expiry date, and the security code, and then I will save it. I have gone ahead and added the card. Pause. Alright, as you can clearly see right here, and now I'm going to subscribe to this. Alright, once you subscribe, the system will prompt you to verify the payment method you have previously added. Following this, a unique verification code will be dispatched to you. Most commonly, this code is sent directly to the application of the merchant service you are currently using, or alternatively, it will be delivered to your phone via a text message and SMS. You then need to accurately enter that specific code, and only after doing so, our complete verification process will be successful finalized. Okay? Okay, so now it's going to prompt us to provide the one-time password, and once it does, I'll be entering that information right here. Following that step, we need to continue here, okay? And here I will send an SMS. And you can just enter it right here. If you're interested in acquiring premium tools at a really excellent price, at a very reasonable and fair cost, then please do contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp contact details are readily available in the comment section, okay? And if you wish to learn about methods such as Gemini Pro 1 year, ChatGPT Plus, and other similar techniques, you can contact me on my WhatsApp by and make sure to join my channel, my community. I'm already providing the link for that in WhatsApp in the comment section. And secondly, I'll be giving you a bot through which you can get yourself verified. However, that service is paid. So if you're interested in taking any paid service from me, whether it's for verification or anything else, then you can definitely reach out to me. Look here, we have finally successfully completed the subscription. This is the client's email address for which I performed this action. All right, I processed this subscription using the client's email. And within this, you can clearly see that we have obtained these features. The Gemini app flow and various other features have been successfully acquired by us. All right, and we are now able to utilize them. Whisk, flow, all of these things have been made available to us. And 1,000 monthly credits, which are allocated to us. We have successfully received those as well. Okay, these are specifically designated for Flow and Whisk Ultra. All right, and we can effectively utilize them for various purposes such as video generation and other related tasks. At this point, you are presented with the option to conveniently add additional members to your Google family group. However, since I personally do not wish to proceed with this particular step right now, I will simply select Not Now. And you can see the Gemini Pro 1 year status has been displayed. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want more methods, please follow and subscribe. God willing, you'll keep getting new methods. Thank you.